How to switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Binance. After you open up your Binance, you will see a button on the top. So all you have to do is tap on the top left corner of your Binance. After you tap on it, there you should see an option on the bottom that says Binance Pro. Tap on Binance Pro. After you tap on it, you will get changed into Binance Pro and you're basically there. Now, if you want to change back into your Binance, what you'll have to do is go on the home page and then tap on the top left corner. There, you will see on the bottom the Binance Lite option. Tap on it again and now you're back to Binance Lite. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.